you're suffering as the battle reach time.
Oh yeah, this is not your average travel vlog. I'm not here wasting 15 minutes of your time reviewing hotel rooms. No, I'm here for the food, and the culture, and the chilling, and the laughter. Oh, that's right. I'm here to tickle you with my contagious laugh, straight from the pits of hell. On this channel, I showcase food, travel, and many side quests. My beer-friendly content is guaranteed to keep you entertained. So, as you guys saw, I got cleansed from doing magic mushrooms in my last episode. If you guys haven't seen the video, be sure to check it out. It's fire. Click here if you haven't seen it. So yeah, I'm back at it, enjoying the simplest things in life. Annoyed by not much at all, offended by almost nothing, and always in a good mood. That's right, constantly ready to rock. As I move across Central America, I'm always on the go, at ease, with the notion that discomfort is just an illusion. And remember guys, always stay humble. Gratitude is the only attitude. And life is full of ups and downs. One day you might be on top, but remember, you can always trip and fall down to the bottom of the well. Anyways, I bring my positive aura wherever I go. Therefore, always making new friends. And I turn bus rides into house parties. Now, one thing that does piss me off is arrogant and pretentious tourists that think that they are entitled to anything and everything. One thing for sure, everybody loves traveling. And the ones who say they don't, they just don't have the will or the means. But yeah, you're not special because you like to travel. Everyone travels. Therefore, you end up meeting a lot of asswipes and dipshits along the way. However, every so often you do encounter some solid dudes and some sweethearts. While in transit, I had the pleasure to meet C1. Ah yes, she's the best. She rode along for a few days. In this episode, she joins me for some fine dining. We got real oily. In this video, I'll be eating local street food like humble fried chicken, Guatemala Chorizo, Carne, Asada. I'll be all over the place in Guatemala. I'll be chilling in Antigua, conducting a little walking tour, and guzzling beers like there's no tomorrow. We will sample local cuisine from Guatemala, but also Nicaragua. Eating lengua de res. Oh yeah, beef tongue. Try local Mayan dishes like Hilachas and Pepian. Hilachas generally consists of boiled shredded beef served with tomato sauce and tomatillo, potatoes, carrots, and guajillo chilies. Oh yeah, a classic Mayan dish that's been around since the beginning of times. Oh hell yeah. Alright now, let's get right into it. I'm starving, goddammit. Let's get oily. Oh yeah, here I am, another day. Another day, another hangover. Well, I find myself face to face with a fair lady frying that chicken. Oh yeah. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, I gotta dive in. Let's get oily. Oh yes, on the bus terminal. We're gonna grab some quick breakfast before we hit the road. I just hope it's not gonna give me the shits when I'm in the bus. Oh yeah, oily F approved. Yeah. Oh yeah. Love street food. I came here for this. Yeah. Oh yeah. We're gonna get oily once again, like every single day, 3 times a day, 3 veces a día. Oh yeah, so there you have it. Fried chicken, chorizo, carne asado, guacamole, tortillas, and salsa picante. Everything you need for a nice, lovely breakfast. Oh, wow, look at that. Little chorizo dip with some guacamole and some hot sauce. Let's go. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, breakfast of champs. Sometimes you get some chunks that you can't really swallow. Oh. And the explosion of flavors. Oh yeah, let's try the fried chicken. I love fried chicken. Let's get oily. Let's go.
that's fresh. Doesn't get better than that. Finger licking hood. Oh yeah. It's nice with the salsa picante and the guacamole.
And on to Antigua. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Wow, check this out. Antigua, Guatemala. It's got the volcano from every single angle. Insane. Now this is what I call a nice pretty town. Yeah, so I'm just cruising around and enjoying the beautiful life of Antigua, Guatemala. Oh, look at the floor. Nice, some cobblestones and everything to make this town nice and pretty. Yeah, same old oily F, chilling hard body, walking around and smiling at everybody. Hey, that's what I do best. What can I do? Wait a second, let me get a beer. Oh yeah.
A few seconds later.
Oh yeah, oily F, slick and oily as always. I'm such a oily man. A greaseball. You wonder why they call me oily F? Well, that's because I'm so greasy, so oily, it's so slippery. Yeah, nobody gets as slippery as oily F. You can call me Killer F too, because I kill shit wherever I go. And when I get down and I paint graffiti, I always got the best piece on the wall. Yeah, so that's why I'm Killer F. Oh yeah. So yeah, look at this beautiful town of Antigua, Guatemala. Look at the volcano. Oh yeah. Cheers to that. So yeah, we're chilling hard body over here. Let's get oily with F. Yeah. So I'm just chilling hard body as always. And yeah. Ooh yeah. Oily F baby. And they say Antigua is one of the most beautiful towns in all of Latin America. From what I understand, the city got destroyed by earthquakes. This used to be the old capital of Guatemala. Now, eventually they rebuilt the whole capital in Guatemala City, which is about 45 minutes away. And yeah, just a beautiful place to walk with your lover hand by hand. If you want to get romantic or freaky. Or kinky. The oily fans. Oh yeah. Oily F baby.
Moving on. This is just one of so many. These long bus rides cannot be complete without a few local bangers. You see, I like to keep my batteries charged. Take it from a champ. Always keep your backpack loaded with beers. That's right, you gotta keep your batteries charged. It's always better to have more than not enough. And if they get warm, well, you can always put them in the fridge when you find one.
Oh yeah, late night snacks. So we got some beautiful rice and some ensalada de pasta. But what's the star of the show? Well, it's this beautiful jiggly piece of tongue. I'm with Si Ono from South Korea, and she got the res. Oh yeah, the res. And of course we got some beautiful plantain over here. So yeah, we're gonna get real down.
Let's get oily.
Say uno. C uno? C1. C1. This is C1 from South Korea. She's very lovely, the most kind. Oh, look at that. And she's about to eat this beautiful piece of res. Oh, yeah. And I'm going down real nicely with the tongue. Oh, yeah. I'm eating tongue. So you can see the beautiful texture over here. This is some nice, beautiful tongue. The beef tongue, of course. Whenever there's something funky on the menu, you know Oily F gotta get it. So let's give it a try.
Let's go.
Oh. Wow, I love tongue. You know, it's just like beef. The same texture, just a little bit more funky. It's amazing. Whoever never tried beef tongue, you gotta get on it. It's the best of the best. And one of the cheapest options, too.
Hell yeah.
See one? He's very shy, but she's very lovely and very kind. See one. Oh yeah, we're getting down. Look at this beautiful restaurant over here. Only the locals come here. Hey, ¿qué pasó?
And as you can see in the back, that's the flag of Nicaragua. So yeah, it's real nice to sample some gallo pinto and some beef tongue. Ah yes. And after that, we took the bus from Guatemala City all the way to Flores. It was a nice 12-hour drive. We enjoyed some liquid THC for the ride. And now, once again, we're back for some more food. It's time to eat.
Oh yeah, so we got the hilachas over here. Beef and this nice lovely stew. Oh, muchas gracias. Thick, creamy, tomatoey, beautiful beef stew. This is a dish from Guatemala. And of course, I will have to enhance it with the habanero house sauce from Casa, Amelia. And right now, I'm with my friend, C1. Oh yeah, so we're in for a treat. Hilachas. And she got the Guatemala style enchiladas. And it's also in a very similar sauce called Pepian. Pepian sauce. She's in for a blast. This is gonna be real good. Oh yeah, so bon appetit. Yeah, hilachas.
You heard.
So yeah, that's gonna be lovely with the arroz. Oh yeah, there's also some potatoes in there.
Hell yeah.
It seems like all the ingredients got blended into a nice uniform sauce. All right, so we're gonna try the hilachas.
Let's go. Let's get oily.
Oh yeah, typical Guatemala food. Nice, creamy, beautiful tomato sauce. Could be a bit spicier, but that's fine. I got salsa picante to enhance it, so that's how we're gonna get down. And it's gonna be really lovely on the rice. So yeah, lots of fun, lots of fun.
Ah, yes. Boy, was that good. And C1. It didn't take much to crack her up. I would just say one word or two and she'd be rolling on the floor. When I start laughing, then she starts laughing like crazy. Wow, we had a great time. She's the best. Well, she was down with the program. She even started talking and acting like me.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. There you go. Saw that, guys?
Yeah, we traveled together for 3 days. It was amazing. It was hard to say goodbye. We're still in contact, and hopefully one day I can visit her in South Korea. I'm sure she would be glad to see me. So yeah, that's it, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed my oily episodes. As always, I'm here to sample local cuisine first and foremost, followed by some professional chilling as always. My days are filled with laughter. So yeah, now that I arrived in Flores, I'm pretty much at the gateway of Guatemala's national treasure, Tikal. It's one of the most famous Mayan cities of pre-Columbian times. Wow, I can't wait. So get ready for the next episode. Let's get oily with F. And while we're at it, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share. Click the bell notification button to stay notified. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm not asking for much over here. Come on, guys. Give me a hand. Oh yeah, and thanks for watching. Peace.